Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this very gorgeous and very festive Quilling Ganesha fridge magnet. And can you see this, how metallic this is looking? And I haven't used any golden strip to make this Ganesha. It's very easy to make and you will thoroughly enjoy this tutorial, I am sure. So without any delay, let's start with the procedure. First I'm starting with making the face. For this I'm taking 6 strips of yellow color 5 mm and I'm making one big tight coil. So we have reached to the end, securing it with the glue, just flattening it using tool by just rolling it. And now I'm taking one pencil and passing through this hole to make a cone kind of shape for the trunk portion. Do it very carefully and very slowly. And now using your fingers, you can just shape it very easily. Open the coil little more till you are satisfied with the size. You have to open it. Now I'm just twisting the trunk portion in one direction. And then I will just fill this cone using liquid glue. Allow it to dry completely. Then here I have prepared this tight coil which is made using 6 strips of yellow color 3 mm, and I am using my quilling mold and just making a slight dome, not very deep, very slight dome using this, and add glue inside this. Here I am making the ears for the Ganesha. Spread the glue using brush, and now I will share how to shape the ear. After applying glue, you just need to pinch it in one corner, then leave little gap and pinch it again. Then exactly in front of this, pinch for 2 more times. Like this. So the ear shaping is done. In the same way I have prepared one more and I am shaping this as well. So ears are ready. Keep it aside for some time. Then I am taking one more tight coil which is made using 6 strips of yellow color 3 mm, and here I am making the mugut or crown for the Ganesha. So using the quilling mold, again I am making a deep dome, and then using my fingers I am just opening it little bit, checking it on the face that how much height we need for the crown, and then I am again adding glue inside this dome as well, spreading it using brush, and then I'm going to stick the crown with the face. Like this. Then here I'm taking one bottle which is having 3.5 cm diameter and using 5 mm yellow strips, and I am going to join total 10 strips to make one big ring. So the ring is ready, and now I'm just securing it using glue. Then I'm going to add glue on top of this ring as well, so that it will not get opened and it will fixed permanently using glue. Then here I am taking half strip of yellow color 3 mm and I am making one leaf shape to decorate the ring portion. You can also use 5 mm strips, but I thought using 3 mm strip we can make more intricate designs. So in the same way we need total 22 these type of coils. Now around the edge of this ring I am going to adhere these leaf designs, and between all the leaves I am going to add glue each time to fix it permanently. So just complete it, and after adding all 22 coils it will look like this. Now taking back the face of the Ganesha, and now I am just sticking the ears with the face. So I have already added B6000 glue with the ears. This is very strong adhesive and it dries quickly. Just hold it for a few minutes and it's done. And again using the same glue I am going to attach the face with the back ring. Push it for a few minutes and it's done. Now I am taking total 6 strips of yellow color 5 mm and making one semicircle for the neck portion. My one strip length is 45 centimeters and I use 90 GSM paper strips. Just open the coil little bit, secure it with the glue and then just shape it like a semicircle. So this is done. Now taking back the Ganesha face and I am going to stick it in the bottom of the trunk portion, so that we can decorate this with the ball chains and stone chains for the jewelry part. Allow it to dry completely. Then I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow color 3 mm and I am making one tooth for the Ganesha. So we have to make one full cone tooth and one half cone tooth. So here I am making the half one, so just tapping the pointed portion from bottom, add glue inside this cone as well, and full tooth I have already prepared. So I am just joining these teeth on both the side. Like this, and then I am just going to color the whole pattern or whole design using gold chalk paint. You can also use gold acrylic color or gold poster color, whatever you have, and it will give our work a beautiful metallic look. no one can recognize that it is made out of paper strips. It will look like a metal finished project. And this is done. Can you see this? How gorgeous this is looking, just like it is made using gold. Now on the back side, on the ring portion, I am just adding little glue all around the edge, and I have the beautiful velvet red color paper, and I'm going to stick this paper on the back side. And it will look like this from front. Very beautiful. The brown and golden combination is looking superb. Now I'm just decorating the crown portion using some diamond chains and pearl chains. I am using gold pearls, or this is also known as ball chains. And in the neck portion I have already attached gold color ball chains. Like this. Then I'm just decorating some silver color stones on the leaf shape pattern exactly in the center. And this is also done. I have just added the eyes and the tika using black permanent marker and red acrylic color, and this is looking so beautiful. Now on back side of this I have already added B6000 glue, and I am just attaching my magnet with this. Hold it for a few seconds and allow it to dry completely for 4 to 5 hours. And the beautiful gold looking paper quilling Ganesha fridge magnet is ready. You can also use this as a hanging. Just add any design on backside, and in the bottom add some charms or some bells, and you can hang it on the sides of the door. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.